So 12th standard zoology. Today we discuss about the art. A-R-T. It means assisted reproductive technology. Assisted reproductive technology. It is used for the infertility of man as well as the woman. So here a collection of procedure which including handling of the gametes, or embryo outside of the body to achieve the pregnancy. It is known as assisted reproductive technology. It means a collection of sperm from outside of the body, a collection of the sperm, or the collection of the embryo. So they use it for the infertility woman or infertility man. How to develop a pregnancy in the infertility man or in the woman? The process is called assisted reproductive technology. Assisted reproductive technology. It is increasing the change of pregnancy in infertile couple. So the changes of the pregnancy, they increasing the changes of pregnancy in infertile couple are included. So they have been IUI. It means intrauterine insemination. So IUI, intrauterine insemination. It means a collection of sperm. Artificially they inserted in the female reproductive organ. It is called artificial intrauterine insemination. This otherwise called artificial fertilization. The next one is called IVF. It means in vitro fertilization. So in vitro fertilization, it means a collection of sperm and the collection of egg, they are fertilized artificially in the laboratory. So this condition is called in vitro fertilization, IVF, in vitro fertilization. The next one is called ET, embryo transfer. Is called so the embryo transfer. Embryo transfer means, so the artificial infertilization, they occur in the laboratory during the 8 cell stage. So the embryos are transformed into a female uterus for the implantation. So this process is called embryo transfer. It means the husband and wife become a normal healthy life. Unfortunately, the male gamete cannot fuse with the female gamete. So this method is very useful for the pregnancy. So it is called embryo transfer. ZIFT, zygote. The zygote means the fusion of male and female gamete is called a zygote. So they have a name. So the fallopian transfer, tube transfer, fallopian tube, so transfer. Here, so the fusion of male and female gamete, the process called fertilization, they occur in artificially. the zygote is directly transformed into the fallopian tube. Here, embryos are transferred into the uterus. But here the zygote is a single cell stage. During the single cell stage, the zygote is transformed into the fallopian tube. Then they are developed into embryo. Then they are fixed in the uterine wall. They fix in the uterine wall. Then ICSI. So it means intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection. It means they directly collect the sperm from the male reproductive organ. They are injected in the egg cell. They are injected into the cytoplasm of the egg cell. After that, they are involved in the fertilization. These are the method adopted for the infertility couples. This is called the assisted reproductive technology art. So first one is called IUI, intrauterine insemination. So they have insemination. IVF, in vitro fertilization. ET, embryo transfer. ZIFT, zygote intra-fallopian tube transfer. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So these are the method. So they use it for the art. So the first heading is called IUI, intrauterine insemination. It means this is a procedure to treat with the infertile man with low sperm count. With low sperm count. So normally, one ejaculation, the semen is consist of 4.5 to 5.8 million sperm cells are present. This is a normal count. Here the infertile man, so the sperm count is reduced. So the fertilization cannot be takes place. Here the semen is collected either from the husband, or so the fertile man from the healthy donor. The semen is collected from the husband because the husband they have a healthy, or so they have a healthy donor, any other person, a healthy other person, and introduced into the uterus through the vagina. So inside the uterus through the vagina. So they have an ordinary method by using the any syringe or any material. They transfer of the sperm from the test tube or they transfer into the uterus of the female reproductive through the vagina. Or some of the catheters are used. Catheters are so used. After stimulating the ovary, they produced more ova. So ova means the egg cell. They stimulate the formation of ova in the uterus, ova in the ovary. Now from the uterus, the sperm swim into the fallopian tube to fertilize the egg. To fertilize the egg. And the resulting so normal pregnancy. Here, this condition, the female is become normal. So the female reproductive systems have better quality, but the female sperm count is decreased, very low count. At the time, they collect the semen from the husband or from the healthy donor. They inject it into the uterus through the vagina, through the vagina part, or they use it for the catheters. They stimulate the ovary. They produce a large number of ova. From the uterus, the sperm cell swim to reach into the fallopian tube for the fertilization. So the normal fertilization that takes place. The fertilized embryo, they fix in the uterine wall, they develop the normal pregnancy. So this is called an IUI, intrauterine insemination. So thank you very much.